Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Dark Coders. From this video, we are going to begin our CSS course. As I have told you in my last video that how to use JSBean software and not CSS software, bracket software for HTML and CSS at the same time. If you haven't watched that earlier video, please go and watch. That is necessary to be watched. Okay, so now let's begin with our coding. In this coding journey, we are going to use this bracket software and JSBean software. Mostly we will be using JSBean software. Okay, so first what I have to write is h1 tag. Okay, means actually CSS and HTML are interlinked to each other. Okay, this is our first heading. Okay, so now I will be giving now guys here will be our end of h1 tag, and now I will be writing this paragraph tag. Okay, okay guys, after that I have to write this is our first paragraph. Okay guys, so we have completed the coding for HTML. I have told you everything in my HTML videos. If you haven't watched, please go and watch. Okay, so we have completed our HTML part. Now I will write our CSS part. I have written it already. I will explain you. Okay, to save our time, I have written it already. Now I will explain you. Which part we have to color or which part we have to edit. That a single part we have to take in that and do our coding. So I have taken here body. Okay, so after that, now here is the background color teal, and this is how we have to write the comment in CSS. Okay, so now I have given background color teal. After that, h1 tag color should be white, not should be white, I have given here white. Text align is centered align, and we have means it's damn easy, I can say. And means if you will write only whatever part you want to edit, that only part you have to write, means the tag in which your text is being written, that main heading, means here h1 tag, inside that our text is there. So I have written only here h1 tag and given the curly brackets, and whatever I want to do I have written. Color white, text align center. I will be teaching you more tags in further videos, because in this video this is a basic video. It's all, and we have to start from beginning, because no one knows how CSS works. No one knows, means we don't know how it works. So now I will be teaching you from zero, and then we will move towards our fully completed course. Okay, so now paragraph also same. I have given here font family Veranda, font size 20 pixels. In CSS you have to match the sizes in pixels, not in any other what I can say amount, I can say. Okay, and then the text align is center. So this is how I have coded for CSS. It's the basic one. If you haven't tried it, just turn on your computer right now and try it. Okay, so it will be easier for you to do that. Now what I wanted to do is I will open the output and hide the HTML part. Now I will open the output. So guys, here is our output. You are able to see the background color is teal. This is the actually the font which we have used, Verdana, and I don't know its pronunciation. What is it? Okay, so this is our first heading. I have written in h1 tag, and this is our paragraph tag. Okay, so guys, we have completed the coding, and it is our output. If I wanted, so I can give it a different color also. Wait, I will tell you how. Background dash color. Background color I will give it here now. I will give here background color is red. See, now the color is being changed. I can write here any color. Now I will write here black. Changed. Okay, so now and I will give here also, okay, background color. Background color, what should I give here? I will give here white. Oops, I haven't completed here my code. Okay, I have given here white color, and you can give here different sort of colors as you want, so it is easy to use, and you are able to see the output is so properly good looking. And after this course you will be able to make your own web page very nicely, and it is easy to be used. Okay, so guys, this was all about this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon for the regular updates. And if you want some motivation quotes, please follow us on Instagram. And it's all about this video. Thank you for watching.